Kasala don finally burst for inside the place wey dem dey call Rivers State. Katakata and UGM for inside Rivers State don carry to Korea people wey dey work for oil expertise for inside Nigeria. For inside this matter, they kpai 4 Nigeria soldiers and also 2 drivers. No be small thing o, as that one dey happen. Nigeria army don come outside. They say they don raid one IPOB camp for inside Anambra. No be small thing o, as that one dey happen. Our brother wey be Nollywood actor, una go know am when I bring the video come up here. He say make they thank God o, say as he escape those people wey dey carry people o collect money for their hand. He say he escape them o. No be small thing. My people, let's go and find out how this thing take start and how it take happen. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas GC. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Ebeni Ekwezioku. We dey here dey bring you update as see the hot update no dey finish for our table. We dey bring her back to back. If you know say you never subscribe to our channel, quickly do so and make sure say you follow our Facebook page and subscribe to all our social media handles. Let's jump into the matter where we'll get for our hand today. They say that for inside the Rivers State, they say unknown gunmen attack a convoy in Rivers State, adopted 2 Korea's expertise and also kpai 4 Nigeria soldier and 2 driver for inside the matter. This one dey happen for inside Rivers State as we dey talk now. This na update wey dey come up. As that one dey happen, they say that for inside Anambra, Nigeria army announced raid of alleged IPOB ESN camp in Anambra and kpai 1 person, according to their report for inside this place where would they see now. No be small thing o. They say for inside the place where they call Adamawa, they say 1 Nigerian man don kpai im mama. He say im mama na winch. He come dey pity him papa, say why you go marry him mama. The question na if your papa no marry your mama, how they go take born you? Na be the question. This one dey happen for inside Adamawa. Nigeria is everyday news story. Something must happen. You must get something to tell every day in Nigeria. Things are really happening every day in Nigeria as we dey talk. This our Nollywood actor, he say in thank God though, say he no kpai for inside Ndomekome where they carry people collect money for their hand. We go show you the video and how it take they talk am, and we will come back and continue. Let's watch the video together before we come back and continue.
Yes, I want to use this opportunity to thank God for bringing me back to my family, for bringing me back to my children and my wife. It's not easy for me. On Saturday evening in Onitsha, I was kidnapped by unknown gunmen. I was coming from, if you know, Atani Road by Caledon after Obudugu Junction. That was where it happened. The crossing with a camera 2.2. I pushed everybody down from the car. They bundled me inside the back of the car. They were watching me, they were hitting me, gun. They took me off. I don't know where I went, but they took me inside the bush. I just escaped death. Like, Lord just gave me second chance to live. I did not know that I would come back again to this Lord. I saw the colors of death. I was seeing white everywhere. They were shooting gun around me. I was lying and they were shooting gun just to scare me. They were shooting gun. To that least I was not hearing very well because the sound of gun blocked my ear. It's not easy, not be joke, not be like. I saw death face to face. I said, is this how somebody will die? Is this how people will leave this earth? it was not, I don't know how to say this honestly, I'm so tired and weak. But I said I'm going to tell the world that I'm back. I'm back to my house. They took all my accounts. They wiped my accounts. As you look at me now, I'm starting life from square one. They took my car. They were even making call for the person that will buy it. Please, I want to use this opportunity to tell the world, people living on it.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch this video, you know, don't know I'm now our brother where they make us laugh for inside Nollywood. Name be superstar. Now so he they take carry moto when take the waka and also collect everything we get for inside in bank. No be smart, you know, things they happen. I beg you, no vet where would they call what short now because of Facebook Wáhaļa. That's why would they call. I will not go call and finish it, but try to understand which would they try talk. Okay, my people. Let's look into this matter. You know, say anytime we Nnamdi Kanu wan go court, so many things go dey happen. If I tell you how many people where they fight Nnamdi Kanu, you go say this boy or this man or this channel, wetin you dey talk? Nnamdi Kanu, people where they fight and where they make sure say all the whole thing where they happen, they go say na him start am, na him. E dey many. That's why you see anytime when Nnamdi Kanu court don dey reach, a lot of things go dey happen. But Nigeria government would have been smarter than any other thing than to release Nnamdi Kanu with immediate effect. Because I know that if Nnamdi Kanu come aside, it will be a peaceful dialogue within Nigeria for those who want to remain in Nigeria and for those who want to be Biafra. I know that it will surely be that way if they want to. But if Nigeria government with their ignorance, with their ego of one Nigeria holding Nnamdi Kanu, so many things will happen. It will happen to a stage you can't even carry your gun, enter some place for inside Southeast. Because the Southeast way they see, they are peaceful people, but in times of say violence or gada, they more aggressive than people we see for North. That is one thing that Tinubu government have to understand. Southeast is more aggressive when it comes to violence than any other state for inside Nigeria. If you don't know it now. And this hand, one I don't give them. These things where they happen, both unknown government know, both Biafra army, both anybody today we carry gun for inside Southeast na Nigeria police army na dem cause am. For inside country where una dey imitate, say una dey follow do democracy, person no dey sleep for police station no. If the first wey commit no dey grave, you know they sleep for inside police station. Highest in 24 hours they don't leave am. But when these people started, if people treated them like animals, for inside them they born many pikin, they born bad boys, they born good boys. That is wetin you see they happen for Southeast today. And come put the one where the enemy they send come, the enemy of waiting that they fight against, they send come do so that they go say I didn't do. So this is where we see ourselves today. If Nigeria government can hear this, it's very simple. Release Nnamdi Kanu and dialogue now, not tomorrow. Dialogue now, not tomorrow. Because if you keep holding Nnamdi Kanu, think that you are superpower, that your superpower will consume you. You will find men to go and fight. You will not see men to fight for you. This is the message Balabas have to give to you people. It's never only advice we are here to give, to bring. The one who will talk put will talk. The one who will not want talk put will let it and tell you, share this video. But this one I message, share this video so that it will get to any official person where you know, DPO, police, everybody. Share this video till you get to them. Then have to listen. It's very early. It's very early. Guys, we will see you for the next update. Make sure say you are following this page for more updates as it dey hot.